Hey everyone, this is Ryan here from Vapor Hunting Technologies, and today we're going to discuss the different lighting options that come in our Weekend Warrior 800 Base and 800 FL. So to start this list off, we have the Weekend Warrior, which has a floodlight on the left-hand side of the cabinet. And this floodlight does a good job of making sure that you have coverage of the entire machine, but it does tend to fall out towards the right-hand side where the door is. Now, if you're blasting larger parts, you need to take this into consideration because something like the 800 base will do a much better job of getting the entire cabinet covered with light. Now, as I mentioned, the 800 base does a good job of making certain the entire cabinet has light, and that's because the 2-foot LED light bar is actually sitting at the top of the cabinet. So anything underneath it should have light. But again, if you're blasting parts with a lot of complexity, like this right here, it's actually much better to get our 800 fully loaded because we put an additional 2-foot light bar above where the gloves go. That way, where you're looking in the cabinet most definitely has light. The reason that we have these different lighting options is because of cost. Lights are actually one of the major costs whenever it comes to building one of our machines, but we like to offer these differences. That way, if you need extra light, you can get it with something like our 800 FL. If you guys have any more questions about these machines, you can reach us at 828-202-5563 and we'll be happy to help you. And make sure you guys actually stay tuned on our other socials because we're going to be dropping a video that compares the Weekend Warrior, the VH800 Base, and the VH800 fully loaded in more depth. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Again, thank you all for watching. I hope you found this useful and have a great day. Peace.